Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can test that phone before you buy it to see if it is working really well. Okay, now let's get started. Dial *87#. Now the moment I press #, something is going to happen here. It will bring something here. Okay, auto test, item test, test info, restore factory settings. So I'll go back to option number one, option number two, item test. Okay, now here you are able to test every setting, every function in this phone, every function. Okay, every function in this phone, and you'll find out that some functions are working well and some functions are not working well. But for this case, I'll test a few functions here and you'll show me in your comment section if your phone is pretty working well. Okay, now version, this is where you find the version of your phone, the build number, as you can see, build number, echo loop, keypad. You'll test whether all your keys are working, all the keys of this phone are working. Okay, let us do that. Now when I press 1, the one I press, that is one, the one you press will disappear from here. Okay, now let's begin from L, then up, then where are you, down, left, middle, right, top, green is this, the call button, then *0#987456. okay, now all the buttons here are working, all the buttons are fine. Vibrator, my phone is vibrating right now. My phone is vibrating. You cannot feel it, but I feel it. It's vibrating. Okay, it's just vibrating. My phone is vibrating very well, so it has no problems. Okay, now let's continue. Loudspeaker. Wow, look at that. Okay, hope you can hear that, the loudspeaker. Wow, loudspeaker. Let's proceed. Ringtone. Ringtone is working just very well, so I will give it a pass. I'll go to LED, main LED. Okay, keypad LED. You test whether this keypad LED works. There is a small lighting here, you can see it. Okay, then I'll go back. Then we go to LCD. LCD is this torch, you see. Oh, I don't know whether you're seeing it. This is the torch, LCD. So I'll press OK, and yeah. Okay, LCD is that torch. Is one of the things like the torch. The LED, it will light. Where are you? What's happening to my phone? Okay, wow. Sorry for that. Okay, 87#, item test. So we shall go back to I'm looking for the LED here, receiver, headset, external card. This is where your memory card goes. If you insert your memory card, it will show you that the memory card is successfully inserted, or it is being seen and read by your phone. If it is not read by your phone, it will not show you that it is inserted. Okay, so radio is working just well. So I'm sampling with a certain radio frequency here, and as you can hear, there is some football commentator speaking behind my radio, so I'll give it a pass. You see, now calibration information, proceed, make a call, it will make a call. You see, Bluetooth is just very okay. Now, because of time, I'm going to end this video here, and you will test the rest of the settings and help me know in the comment section if your phone is working just well. Okay, all right. Flashlight is working well. Flashlight, wow, look at that. The flashlight is just okay. All right, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.